Hi, this is Guillermo for FlamencoMaps. Welcome to my channel. This is a very special video because I won't teach you any lesson today. I have to make you a very important announcement. But first, I would like to say thank you. Sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, to each and every one of you, wherever you are on this planet. Thank you for your interest, thank you for your trust, thank you for your comments, your messages, your support. Thank you for everything. At the beginning, it was really intimidating to start my YouTube journey, and it still is. But today you are more than 1,500 subscribers to the FlamencoMaps channel. I'm just hallucinating, and this motivates me a lot to continue. And now the big announcement. I just launched the FlamencoMaps Patreon page. If you don't know the principle, Patreon is a membership platform that connects content creators like me with people who enjoy and value their work, hopefully like you. As you can imagine, making these YouTube videos takes a lot of time. For now, I do everything myself, and I can easily spend between 20 to 30 hours producing a single video. From the idea to putting it online, including conception, investigation, writing, researching sources, shooting, editing, publishing. It's a lot of work, but according to your very positive feedback, I am convinced that it is useful work. You might also know that I teach live online classes on Zoom, but my goal is also to create pre-recorded courses that are comprehensive, organized, thorough, easy to follow, and that may help fill in any gaps you may have. I'm currently working on this every day, and I should be able to start publishing the first courses soon. With Patreon, you can donate a small amount of money each month to support my work in exchange for my eternal gratitude, as well as El Tito's eternal gratitude, and some bonus rewards. So patrons like you will enable to make all this a reality, helping to cover the many costs generated by my work and by delegating certain tasks so I can really focus more on creating the content itself. My first priority is to give you the most precise and concise information possible, the most relevant examples, the most effective exercises. I want to give you the keys to better understand, study better, practice better, enjoy better, and above all, I want you to become independent in your journey and to be able to express yourself freely through flamenco. Basically, I want to give you the content I would have loved to find when I started with flamenco. If you're not in a position to become a patron, no worries at all, because the simple fact of knowing that you are there somewhere watching the video and knowing that thanks to me, perhaps you better understand the Andalusian cadence or the compás de fandango de Huelva, that already makes me very happy. As always, I would be so glad to hear any feedback you could share in regards to my videos, to my Patreon page, to my work in general. And that's it for today. Again, thank you so much. Go and visit patreon.com/flamencomaps. I see you there. Till then, don't forget, learn flamenco, make it fun, make it different, make it your own. And play palmas and listen to cante.